Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 36, and today we are going to discuss the last child filter. So if you're following me along, then you can imagine the last child filter is the exact opposite of first child filter. So before we jump into the code, I want you to go to jquery.com/download the uncompressed version of jQuery because we are in the development version. Then I want you to add the jQuery into your project. Step 2, I want you to reference the jQuery reference in your head section. If you don't do that, then jQuery is not going to work. Then we write some JavaScript code by saying once the document finish loading, I want you to execute some JavaScript. The jQuery instruction. All right, next we look at the DOM structure, and we can see we got I'm gonna pick the important one. We have 3 div tags, and within 3 div tags we got 2 p tags, right? And now what I'm saying over here is I am interested in p tag, which should be a last child. Okay, so if I'm looking at this div tag, I can see this element is a last child. So when the document, the jQuery starts traversing from the top, it will see the h2 is going to get rejected because we are looking at p. It's going to reject the div tag as well. It's going to reject this one as well because it's at the position 1, and this is the last one within the element, so it's going to pick up this guy. Then it's going to move further and it's going to reject everything because this p tag is not the last element. We have one more over here, so it's going to reject paragraph 3, and again this is a valid case, so it's going to select paragraph 5. So let's browse that and let's see if paragraph 3 gets rejected. So indeed the 3 gets rejected. So if I go back and if I remove the break tag, and then I do the Control S and then I view in browser, then I can see the paragraph 3 is also gets selected. So which is pretty simple, right? So now you know what is the difference between the first child and last child and how they work. And let me show you one more thing which I have planning. I planned the same thing for the first child as well, but I was not able to because of time problem. So you see over here when I say last, it only picks the last element across the whole document, which is paragraph 5. And when I say last child, it starts thinking that all the elements, those who have the paragraph as a last child, I'm going to select that. So you're getting the difference. So the same goes with the first child and first as well. So I hope this helps. All right, and let's see now where we are. So we are done with the last child. Up next we're going to look at the last of type. All right, so thank you for listening. Good night and take care.